Checking out my new security camera from Aoqee, and this one is their S1 model. They have a couple of different models. I went with this one for a couple of reasons. It has the solar panels built right in. Thought that's a pretty cool form factor. Nice looking model. It has this bracket here thing, this connector that goes onto the back, so you can set it up any way you want. Underneath, you've got the door here to open up for the power and the reset, but it also where your USB and your memory card can go. As you might be able to see in the app over here, we're getting real-time, of course, from the footage, but it's also neat that you can turn the lights on and off. You can talk from it and to it. You can listen. So overall, I went with the reviews, and I'm really enjoying it. This one from Aoqee, the S1. Hope this helps.